Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we discuss about first aid blood transfusion. Tool number one from the arrows part safe transfusion using volume catch. Means that group A can donate blood to all others. Group A can donate only to group A can donate only to A and AB, while AB can receive from all but can donate only to AB. Rule number two. Number two is positive can donate blood only to positive, while negative can donate to both positive and negative. This makes O negative universal donor and AB positive universal recipient. Negative can donate to both and positive can donate only to positive. In nutshell, any transfusion that goes against the arrow and rule number two will lead to transfusion reaction. Generalization mechanism of hormones action. Just memorize the format and you can easily fit any one of the hormones into it. Generally, don't forget to verify the ones in bold italics. N-acetyl triphosphate DAG mechanism. Diacylglycerate mechanism. All hypothalamic hormones uses IP3 DAG mechanism except CRH that uses cyclic AMP mechanism. Corticotropin releasing hormone uses cyclic AMP, while other all hypothalamic hormone uses inositol triphosphate. Cyclic GMP mechanism. It is used by two important hormone, nitric oxide and antinucleatic peptide. And third is tyrosine kinase, all the anabolic hormone but not steroid. They have their own mechanism. The hormone used in the synthesis of molecules substance use tyrosine kinase mechanism. For example, erythropoietin, growth hormone, and growth factors, insulin. Actions on gene nucleus is through transcription. This mechanism is used by steroid hormone and thyroxine. A favorite question of board is estrogen and progesterone action occurs through transcription factors. Cyclic AMP, all other hormones not fitting into any of the above can mentioned categories use the cyclic AMP mechanism. For example, ACTH, CRH, FSH, LH, etc. Note drugs, neurotransmitters acting on sympathetic nervous system will use cyclic AMP, for example, inornine and salbutamol. Drugs are neurotransmitter acting on sympathetic nervous system. These use cyclic AMP mechanism. Next topic, thyroid fever investigation. Remember, it is traditionally used. New editions of medicine books have a totally different activities. Okay, in mnemonic BASU to memorize. B for blood, A for antibodies, S for stool, and U for urine. In first week, typhoid fever investigation. Sorry for mistakenly, I just read it as thyroid, but it is typhoid fever. We use BASU. B for blood, A for antibody, S for stool, and U for urine. First week blood culture, second week antibody withdrawal, and third week stool, and fourth week you use urine culture. Approach to bacterioviral genetics. Transduction is genome from bacteria to virus. To memorize bacterial genetics, remember the mnemonic PDF. Transduction is genome from bacteria to virus. Mnemonic PDF to memorize bacterial genetics. Transposition, trans, trans, sorry, transposition P for position. Transduction, D for duction, transduction. Transformation, S for formation. So PDF, transposition, transduction, and transformation. Memorize bacterial genetics. Transposition क्या है? Plasmid mediated. That is segment of DNA transfer gene from plasmid to chromosome. Transduction, double organisms involved, bacteria and virus. Transformation, free naked DNA involved. Ability to take up free DNA from environment. Transposition is plasmid mediated. Transduction is double organism involved, bacteria and virus. Transformation, ability to take up free DNA from environment. The famous example of encapsulated pneumococcus and non-encapsulated ones transmission. Free naked DNA involved. अच्छा, biostatistics and epidemiology. Clinical study designs, observational studies and treatment studies. Treatment studies को हमने further divide किया है randomized, non-randomized and adaptive clinical trials. Randomized, controlled trials, blind trials, non-blind trials, non-randomized controlled trials and adaptive clinical trials. Observational studies में cohort studies, prospective or retrospective, a time series, cross-sectional studies, case control studies. These are all observational studies. So three important tests to be known: test for difference between mean and test for difference between categories. So for test for difference between means, we use between two groups, we use T-cell, T-test, details on next week we will discuss. So T between two groups and between three or more groups. For three or more groups, we use ANOVA. And test for difference between categories. Chi-square test. T-test. T for two, it means that T-test compares difference between means of two groups. ANOVA checks the difference between means of three or more groups. ANOVA checks the difference between mean of three or more groups. Chi-square, remember chi is for categorical, not mean, and it checks the difference between two or more percentages or proportion of the categorical outcome. So three important tests हैं: test for difference between means and test for difference between categories. Means के लिए हम between two groups and or between three or more groups. For two groups we use t-test with t for two, so it means t-test compare difference between two tests, means of two groups. Between three or more groups we check difference between three or more ANOVA, analysis of variance, and test for difference between categories. Chi-square, chi for category, categorical not mean, and it checks the difference between two or more percentages or proportion of the categorical outcomes. Remember PST, primary, secondary, tertiary. So primary for we are just discuss a topic. Now we are discussing about prevention. Primary prevention is prevent the जो disease occurs होने से पहले जो prevention की जाती है, prevent the disease occurrence. For example, the HPV vaccination most commonly tested in both of them. Secondary is for screening, so we can detect the disease earlier. Primary है कि disease हुई नहीं है उससे पहले हमने जो prevention की है ना, and secondary है screening for early detection के लिए हमने screening for early diseases, and again some most commonly test example is pap smear to detect disease in early stage. Primary is prevent the disease occurrence, and screening is to see whether disease have or not. It's like pap smear to detect disease in early stage and secure individual from scary outcome. Tertiary disease हो चुकी है, treatment of the disease. to reduce disability. For example, if a woman gets carcinoma cervix and she is treated with chemotherapy to avoid any disability. Vaccination, primary screening for the disease, pap smear testing, and secondary and tertiary treatment of the disease to reduce disability. Some random points came. Excretion of penicillin inhibited by probenecid. In excretion of penicillin inhibited by probenecid. Absorption of fluid from intestinal epithelium depends upon sodium and glucose combined. Man with history of 40 pack per smoking developed brain carcinoma, which was secondary to primary carcinoma in lungs. Longest acting neurotransmitter blocker, pancuronium. Pancuronium. Excretion of penicillin is inhibited by probenecid. Cid. Probenecid. Longest acting neurotransmitter blocker, pancuronium. Pancuronium. ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone concentration is high in anterior pituitary portal system. Note that concentration is amount per volume and the volume of pituitary portal system is definitely small as compared to systemic circulation. That's how the concentration here will be high. Lethal effect of potassium ion is on heart, diabetes, insipidus, extreme thirst, and excessive urine output. While the similarity between diabetes mellitus and diabetes insipidus is polydipsia, frequently encountered question. Acute pancreatitis, elevation of both enzymes, lipase, which is more specific, and amylase. Osteoporosis, drop in estrogen at time of menopause, drop drop in testosterone in men. Related. Sickle cell anemia, abnormal type of hemoglobin. Feature of osteoarthritis, osteophyte bony spur formation. Osteoarthritis फीचर क्या है? Bony spur formation.